I just want to say Sonic sweet tea is really freaking good.
So,
I'm Emma.
and I'm Lily.
Yeah.
We just want to start out by saying this is our channel and this is our first video about a nature vlog.
It's a vlog. We're gonna obviously do like other stuff too. We're gonna, you know, do the basic YouTuber stuff. You know, make some slime, play Fortnite. I've never played Fortnite in my life because it's basic.
Also, so basically we just wanted to say that this is our channel and this is our first video, so
please enjoy.
Enjoy it. I look like a hobo.
Everyone looks like a hobo at least one day in their lives. And then they just move on and life goes.
Okay, so we are
Walking. We should go to the track at Walnut Elementary School.
What if we went down there?
I'm pretty sure that's like trespassing, but...
No, so many people do it.
Wait, I know where to go. Let's go this
All
way.
the druggies do it.
No.
We're going on an adventure! Woo! Ready? I'm gonna wave by them. Let's see if they wave back.
Oh!
The nerve!
Hey guys, so we're here in the wilderness, and today we're about to take a trek through the wild. See if we see any bears. If we do, just stay calm.
Ow! I already cut myself.
I'm a hiking queen over here, so if you can't keep up, that's too bad. Come here and...
Oh!
How much is it?
$10!
Did you know at Taco Bell they have $1 menu so we can buy like 10 tacos?
Oh my god, that's disgusting.
I know, it's gross.
Why did I think this would be so cute? Pothead!
Oh,
Because they're
I'm
potheads.
sure like a 2-year-old heard that and they're like, Mommy, what's pot?
Mommy, what's dank? Don't. Hashtag almost died on nature walk. This is so pretty.
I know.
That was a spider. Oh my god.
Let's go this way.
Look at all the bamboo.
Yeah.
Smoke the bong with the buds. Sorry if you don't. Ow! The nerve of this plant. That rock just fell and I was standing on it. I could have just died. I'm so happy with this $10. Like literally I got that on video too. I got me walking and there it was and I went, ah! Somebody's gonna think that I'm getting murdered down here.
The longer the hikes, the more the adventure.
Ah!
I was like, wait.
Look at all
Then I
that.
was like, wait, little kids are probably watching this.
Nobody's watching this. No, I think we're done with our nature walk because
Yeah, let's go back and buy something.
let's go to Taco Bell.
Okay.
Do we have time? You have to be back to
I was
class.
just at Taco Bell earlier, so we can go to McDonald's and get fries. Ow.
Or we can go to the gas station.
What?
We can go to the gas station too because I don't know if you're gonna have time to go all the way to
Okay,
McDonald's.
let's just go to the...
Okay, the gas station's fun. I can get an Arizona tea. Ready? And she sticks the landing. Oh my god! There's so many bugs. Oh my god. I mean, oh my gosh. I love you, Jesus. Woo! Thank you. Here.
I'm actually really good at vlogging, so...
Touch it again to stop recording.
What the what? Oh.
Here.
I'm actually really good at vlogging, so...
Walking and...
Parkour! I can't even see myself. The screen is so dark.
So, next on our list is we're going to... And she's recording me! What's up, bro? We're going to the gas station because I want a tea. Why am I so out of breath? Oh my god, listen. Oh my god. There's a car coming.
You know what? I'm just gonna vlog. I'm actually doing like mini Instagram videos.
Go follow her Instagram then.
Yeah, at Emma E. Hale. I have not that many followers.
Why do I do this?
Samsung suck. Don't buy them.
No, let's just call them not iPhones. Ow! I just got such a bad like pain in my right boob. And like the inside, like Like, my chest really, but in the right boob
I
area.
know what you're talking about.
That was a burrito wrapper, and I thought it was a snake. I literally have 73 cents in my bank account right now. Like, I hold this $10 like it's no big deal. Like, no. I found this on the side of the road. Let's be real. Like, honestly, when Spotify tries to charge me another $10, it's gonna be like, oh. It literally is gonna transition.
Sorry.
Was that a threat? Are you calling me fat? Okay, we're going in. I already know what I'm getting.
Get some of these bad boys.
Wow, we have enough. We found that in a ditch. So we're heading back because Emma has class earlier than I do. We're both dancers and we have a break on Wednesdays. We're both in company. We're both in the senior company.
Yeah. Oh.
You go places, you freaking homeschooler. The other night, me and Emma were at our friend's house because we had competition, and it was 2:30 in the morning.
Oh yeah, we were laughing at everything. I bet you're thinking about me. You're probably like, oh my god, I'm such a funny person. I just, what the crap just happened to my eye?
Anyway, it was 2:30 in the morning, and a fun fact about me and Emma is that the later it gets, the more like insane we get. Like, normal people, they get like tired as the night go on.
No.
But we get hyper. We get hyped. We jump up and down. And basically, I was like, okay, I gotta go take a shower because I have hairspray and freaking competition makeup all over my face. So I was like, you know what? We're gonna go and take a shower. And she was like, wait, I have to wash my face first. Is it gonna like affect your water? And I thought I'd be polite and wait till she was done washing her face to shower, so that way I'm not like getting.
Yeah, she's actually
I'm not
considering
getting-
being a good friend for once.
So I waited for her to wash her face, and she took 30 minutes to do a simple task to wash her face. Oh my gosh.
Because I can't talk and do things at the same time. I'm just not that type of person, you know what I mean?
And it was 2:30 in the morning, so we were both really hyper.
Okay, be right back, LOL.